Hey everyone, Sam Burr here again. Last week I did a video about highway interchanges, so go check that out if you haven't already. And in today's video I want to talk about highway on and off ramps and how to avoid a tricky situation. Firstly, in the last video I spoke about having the correct amount of lanes. The same principle applies here, so you need to make sure you have enough lanes for all of the incoming traffic. For example, here we have two one-way exit lanes coming in. By giving them their own entrance lane, they'll be able to flow in faster and avoid merging. Another thing that I mentioned in the last video that's relevant is to look out for any unwanted traffic lights, give way signs, stop signs, and pedestrian crossings. Since we're dealing with a substantial amount of traffic coming in and out from the highway, these can easily cause a big mess. Now, something else to avoid are hard intersections right after the vehicles exit the highway. So in this case, I mean waiting at traffic lights. Now, don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with traffic lights, but it's better to not have them right at the highway off-ramps. This is because they can easily cause traffic to wait long periods of time, and that traffic can actually build up and congest back onto your highway. You might also want to avoid traffic crossing over other traffic. What I mean by this is when there's a flow of existing traffic and then other cars are trying to cut across it. This can cause some major issues and a lot of waiting time, so how can we fix this? Well, this is when I introduce the roundabout. Instead of using traffic lights, you can invest in a roundabout. This is probably the best option for traffic using on and off ramps because firstly, traffic can continuously flow straight through and there's no significant wait times, but also because roundabouts can disperse a lot of traffic in different directions easily. I should also mention the bigger the roundabout is, the bigger amount of traffic it can handle. You can also try using various slip lanes along your highway. So instead of making your on and off ramps at one point, you can spread it all out more. By doing this, you're again dispersing traffic and making them all use different ramps. And lastly, as a bonus tip, I personally like to separate the industrial traffic from all other traffic. If you do have all of your traffic using the same one on and off ramp, this can be quite a lot to manage. So give your industrial its own highway on and off ramp that's disconnected from other ramps. Anyway, that's all from me, Sam Burr. I really hope these videos have helped. Don't forget to subscribe to the City Skylines official YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more content.